if you're stranded, Chick-Fil-A wrappers, you can't use them in the microwave. You know why? They have aluminum in them. Oh, this is stupid, Robbie. You already know this is a bad idea. It works. We're gonna... Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Woo! Soldering iron's dead, y'all.
Buy me a new soldering iron. Not coffee.
Soldering iron's dead. We lost the feed to the camera too. Yep. We smoked it. We smoked it. Did you see all the magic smoke?
I smell it.
Oh, now I'm gonna get in trouble for it smelling bad. Great. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh my God, I'm leaving.
It smells like phenolic. And it did go nuclear. He said, hit it again. You don't have to ask me twice. We're going to transition. This is the end of the video. Yeah, that is some craziness. God help us all. Okay. Soldering iron. Oh, wow. Look at that. Is that supposed to glow like that? I don't think that's supposed to glow like that. I think that is awful. And that is why the fuse was there. It is pretty. It really is like over exposed. I did make a light bulb. Benjamin Franklin? No. Oh, crap. Not Benjamin Franklin. Thomas Edison would be proud.
Why does everybody want to see me burn my unit? Hey, I'm going.